Dear students, in this content, we will discuss about Maxwell's distribution of molecular velocities, average, most probable, and RMS velocities from the module 1, gaseous state. Gas is one of the states of matter. There are different properties for the gas state. Gases have no definite shape or volume and completely fill the container that holds them. Gases can be compressed to a smaller volume or expanded to a larger volume. The behavior of gases can be described by simple quantitative relationship such as gas laws. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് പ്രത്യേകതകളുള്ളൊരു സ്റ്റേറ്റാണ് ഗ്യാസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഗ്യാസിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് ഈ ഒരു മൊഡ്യൂളിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മാക്സ്വെൽസ് ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂഷൻ ഓഫ് മോളിക്കുലാർ വെലോസിറ്റീസ്. ദി കൈനറ്റിക് മോളിക്കുലാർ തിയറി ഈസ് used to determine the motion of a molecule of an ideal gas under a certain set of conditions. However, it is impossible to measure the velocity of each molecule at every instant of time. Therefore, the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution is used to determine how many molecules are moving between velocities v and v plus dv. Assuming that one-dimensional distributions are independent of one another, that the velocity in the y and z directions does not affect the x velocity. Therefore, the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution is given by dn by n is equal to m by 2 pi kbt raised to 1 by 2 exponential minus mv square by 2 kbt into dv, where dn by n is the fraction of molecules moving at velocity v to v plus dv, m is the mass of the molecule, kb is the Boltzmann constant, and T is the absolute temperature. In this slide, we will discuss about how velocity distributions depend on temperature. The first point, higher temperatures allow a larger fraction of molecules to acquire greater amounts of kinetic energy, causing the Boltzmann plots to spread out. Second point, as the temperature of the molecule increases, the distribution flattens out. Because the molecules have greater energy at higher temperature, the molecules are moving faster. Third one, at lower temperatures, the molecules have less energy. Therefore, the speed of the molecules are lower and the distribution has a smaller range. The figure shows how the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution is affected by temperature. Figure A, we can see temperature 2 is greater than T1. That is, as the temperature is increased, the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution is shifted to higher speeds and is broadened. Figure B is the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of nitrogen gas at different temperatures. From these two figures, it is clear that how the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution is affected by temperature. At low temperatures, the molecules have less energy. Therefore, the speeds of the molecules are lower and the distribution has a smaller range. As the temperature of molecules increases, the distribution flattens out because the molecules have greater energy at higher temperature, the molecules are moving faster. Most probable velocity is the maximum value on the distribution plot, which is equal to root of 2RT by m. The average velocity is the sum of the speeds of all the molecules divided by the number of molecules, which is equal to root of 8RT by pi m. The root mean square velocity is the square root of the average speed squared, which is equal to root of 3RT by m, where R is the gas constant, T is the absolute temperature, and m is the molar mass of the gas. It always follows that for gases that follow the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, most probable velocity is less than average velocity less than root mean square velocity, meaning root mean square velocity is the highest, then average velocity, then most probable velocity.